As you can see here in my dashboard, guys, I make over 19 cents instantly on this very platform by just watching video ads. Stick with me from the beginning till the end of this particular video, because in this tutorial I am going to break down everything step by step for you guys in order to make a cool cash for yourself on this very platform. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money by just watching video ads online. In this channel we are talking about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, blogging tutorial, mining and airdrops, and everything related to make money online. That is what I am publish here. If you are new here, please consider subscribe to my channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So before we move on, I need you guys to give this video a thumbs up. I'm really appreciate that, because YouTube will recommend it to more people and they will benefit from it. So first of all, what you are going to do, if you go to your browser and put this keyword paid work. So type this keyword paid work on your browser and hit the search button. So as you can see, enter this page site. So as you can see, this is my dashboard, and I'm going to show you how you can sign up on this very platform. So this platform, they have an application, because only the application will allow you to make money by just watching video ad on this very platform. So what I'm going to show you now, I want to log out now and show you how you can sign up on this very platform. So as you can see here, this is the interface of the register site. You can sign up through your Gmail account or Microsoft account or Apple account. So what I recommend for you guys to sign up with is to sign up with your Gmail account. So if you sign up, go to your Play Store and download paid work. So let me show you. So as you can see here, I have already installed this application on my phone, and I'm going to open it. As you can see here, it says open. So I have already installed it. As you can see, I have already installed it on my phone, so I'm gonna open it. So download the application, because only the application will allow you to make money on this very platform by just watching video ad. So let me open my application and log into my account. So as you can see, I have already opened my application and log into my account. So I'm going to show you how you can just earn this money by just watching video ad. Don't skip any part of this video, because any part of this video is very important. So as you can see, you can just go to this $sign at the bottom of this application. You can see home, $sign, and setting. So complete your profile and just come to this $sign and click on it. So as you can see, there are several ways that you can make money on this very platform. So the number one way that you can make money on this very platform is, as you can see here, is by playing games, fill out surveys, watch video, online shipping, and micro tax. And in this video, what I'm going to show you is how you can use these watch videos to earn money. So this website is deal with points. So as you can see right here, 1,000 points make $1. As you can see here, 1,000 points make $1. So let me just enter this watch video and show you how you can just make money by just watching online video ads. So let me click on it, and so as you can see here, what it says, watch video ads that are 30 to 60 seconds long. If you close the window, if you close the video too early while watching, your points may not count. Watch the video until the end and you will get paid. I hope you understand what they mean here. So if you enter the video, don't try to close it without the finish of that count time dime. So let me just click on this watch button. As you can see right here, they said watch the video for 30 seconds to receive 10 points. As you can see here, remember we have 19 cents in my dashboard, so I'm going to watch some videos. You can see how the balance will increase. So let me start watching. As you can see here, those are the types of video ad that you can watch on this particular website to make money for yourself. As you can see, this thing is moving forward from here, as you can see. So if it's finished, that is the end of the time that you can stay in this website in order to get some point. As you can see here, look at it here. So if it's finished, so you can just click this cancel button at the top of the site. As you can see here, you watch the entire video correctly and receive 8 points. So let me watch another one. So and still it shows me the other one that I have already watched. So let me wait it to finish and to see how I'm gonna make on this very platform right now. So remember always to wait till the time finish before you cancel this. So as you can see here, still it say you watch the entire video correctly and receive 9 points. So let me watch another one. So as you can see here, another ad was popped up now and I am watching it. So let me wait till the finish of this ad before to see how our balance will increase. So as you can see here, you watch the entire video correctly and receive 7 points. So let me check whether my balance was increased. So as you can see here, right guys, I've just earned 2 cents again, because before you watch that 3 ad, we have 19 cents in my balance. So I have just watched 3 ads again and I have just earned 2 cents. So this is how you can make money on this very platform, easy and simple. So you can make money on other ways on this very platform by just playing games, fill out surveys, online shopping and micro tax. So this is what I'm going to show you in this particular video. So let me check how you can withdraw your money on this very platform. So go to your dashboard. As you can see right here, go to the profile section at the top of the site, click on it and wait it to load. So we are going to check how we can withdraw our money on this very platform. So those are the micro tax that you can do on this website. So we are going to check how we can withdraw our money on this very platform right now. So if you want to withdraw your money, as you can see right here, you can just go to the billing section. As you can see here, you have not earned funds, go to the end page to earn money. So as you can see here, we have never reached the withdrawal threshold. If you accumulate $1 on this very platform, so you can withdraw it. As you can see right here, this is where you can add your payment method. You see here this plus button. As you can see here, just let me click on it. Okay, you can't able to add your payment method until you make the withdrawal threshold. So this is what I'm going to show you guys in this very video. If you are getting value from this video, please like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm really appreciate that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.